Okay, I am going to draw telescope, microscope. Let's start with telescope. Okay, where's my pen? Telescope. Okay, so to draw telescope, you have to know, first thing you have to highlight the focal length of the eyepiece and objective lens that you use. So objective lens means that the lens is nearer to star because it is to observe object. So I will label it as OBJ here, focal length of object. Okay, so the objective length, because star is very far, so the length will be longer compared to eyepiece because your eye is nearer to the lenses. Okay, the second thing you have to tell me is the distance between lenses. Distance between lenses will be equal to objective length plus the eyepiece focal length. Okay, yeah. Okay, so then we can start to draw our drawing. This is principal line. Again, because I have this one as objective lens, so focal length, let's say, because this one will be longer, right? Let's say I take objective lens as at centimeter, and then eyepiece as 2 centimeter, let's say. Okay, so my objective lens is 8 centimeter, 6, 7, 8 here. Okay, so this is my F0, 6, 8 here. Okay, so this will be the same point. You will get your same point for your eyepiece here, right? Let's say I take this as 4 centimeter lah, easier to draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how I will put my eyepiece here. This is eyepiece. Okay, and then this is objective lens, right? So because the star is very far away, infinity, so I would say that all the infinity light will somehow focus along this point, because this is where the focal point is. Okay, along this point. Okay, so all the parallel light from far, from infinity, somehow it will focus at this point. Okay, of course you can draw 1,000 line, 100 line here, doesn't matter. But for drawing, normally we need 2 line minimum, or if you want it to be nicer, you draw 3 line lah. 3 line. Okay, so you have to draw arrow, arrow, arrow to show that the star is from very far. And then this is your first image form. So you imagine you see a star here. Okay, and then the second magnification, since this is 4, this one will be 4 also, and this is eyepiece, right? When you have object 4 on the focal length, focal point, means that you will get something parallel forever. Okay, parallel to the principal line will go through focal point. Parallel go through F, remember? And then go to center, straight line. So here you cannot see a very sharp and clear image, but you can see magnified image here as magnifying glass. This one is magnifying glass, act like magnifying glass. Also, I want to continue my third line here to make it nicer. Okay, parallel here. That is how overall you draw your ray diagram for telescope. So how are you going to get full mark? First, you have to let me know that the objective length, focal length for objective lens is longer than eyepiece. You got 1 mark. Second, you have to tell me that the distance between 2 lenses equal to focal length of objective lens and focal length of eyepiece. Third thing that you have to let me know is the magnification. Magnification will be the f objective lens divided by eyepiece. So for this case will be 8 divided by 4. So this is like to magnify 2 times. Okay, this is the third thing you have to let me know. And then fourth point is the first part drawing. This one will be fourth point, and then fifth point will be here. So this will be fifth point. Total you will get 5 marks for this drawing. That's how you draw telescope. Alright, now we go to microscope sekaligus Microscope. Okay, microscope now, still we start with focal length because the object now is nearer to you, right? You want to see a virus, you want to see bacteria, so it is very small and it is very near to you, so you make sure that the focal length for objective lens is smaller compared to eyepiece. Okay, focal length. Okay, then I'll start drawing like this. And then second thing you have to know is the distance, right? Distance must be slightly greater or equal to the total of the objective lens, focal length or objective lens and eyepiece. Okay, let's say in this case I choose, because this one will be shorter, I choose let's say 5 centimeter, and then my eyepiece, let's see how am I going first. Okay, so see here, 5 is that 2, 4. Let's say I take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So this is objective lens, huh? So f0 2 f0 lah. So this one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, right? f0 here. And then I have my here. Let's say I take this one is my eyepiece. Okay, eyepiece focal length, let's say I take 8 centimeter. This one don't want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here will be my lens. Eyepiece. Eye. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this one will be E. Okay, now my object will be somewhere in between f0 and 2f0. Then only I can get my image here. Okay, so let's say I put my virus somewhere here or my bacteria somewhere here. Then we start to draw. Parallel go through F. Not nah, F not nah. Parallel go through F. Go through center will be straight line here. Okay, object and the center will be straight line. So I will get my first bacteria here, first magnification here. This is my first magnification, my first image. Okay, then second magnification will be parallel go through F, go through center, straight line, right? So I change another color. Parallel to the principal line, go through F. Okay, go through center. This one and center will be straight line. Okay, go through center will be straight line. So I will get my second magnification here. So this is the final image I will see, which is much more bigger compared to this one. First magnification, second magnification, right? So the total magnification here will be magnification here will be first magnification times second magnification. Okay, so how are you going to get total mark here? 5 mark, let's say. So the first mark will be given if you show me the focal length of objective lens is shorter compared to eyepiece. First one. Second, you have to tell me that the distance between lenses will be slightly greater or equal to the total, the sum of focal length of objective lens and eyepiece. And then third point that you must show me is magnification. M1 times M2. First magnification times second magnification. Okay, and then this will be first part, this will be second part. Oh, I forgot my arrow. No arrow, no mark. Okay, so that is how you get your drawing. This one, first, second mark, third mark. This one will be fourth mark, and this one will be fifth mark. If there is any sixth mark, means that you have to tell me the characteristic of the image form. Okay, so be careful with this one because you have two magnification. First magnification, the characteristic is different compared to second magnification. First one is real, this one is virtual. Whenever you come to this topic, there are a lot of drawing. You cannot memorize, but you must understand. Understanding is the key point to understand how to draw whatever ray diagram. Don't memorize, but understand. Okay, you can see this.